Here's introducing an all-new DB2 installation process with a modernized GUI installer. With IBM Db2 Quick Install, you'll be up and running on Linux or AIX in just few minutes. This new install flow is fast, simple, and user-friendly. With just a few clicks, installation is no longer complex. It is easier than ever. Quick Install is available from DB2 version 12.1.3. Let's take a quick look at how a root DB2 Quick Install works. Start by launching the DB2 Setup utility from your extracted image. This kicks off the modernized GUI installer. Before we proceed, take a moment to review IBM and non-IBM license agreements. Once you're ready, click I agree to the IBM and non-IBM terms. Here's where the magic begins. The Quick Install and Db2 Server Edition options are pre-selected. Just hit Next. Review the installation summary, click Install, and let Installer do its thing. Now sit back and relax. Watch as DB2 installs, fast, smooth, and efficient. Installation is completed. Click the eye icon to reveal the auto-generated passwords for the instance user and fenced user. Just a heads up, this password is shown only once, so make sure to securely store it right away. Once the password is saved, go ahead and click Finish to complete the setup. You're all set to start using DB2.